everyone. இன்னைக்கு எங்களோட மூன்றாவது நாள். We're starting our third, technically second day. And then இன்னைக்கு தான் என் ஃப்ரெண்டோட பிறந்த நாள். இப்போ நாங்கள் breakfast சாப்பிட்னாங்க, oatmeal. ஹரியோட அம்மா எங்களுக்கு தந்தது. And then அவர் இப்போ அவர்கிட்ட ஃப்ரெண்டை பிக்கப் பண்ணிட்டு வந்திருக்கார். அங்கே அவர்கிட்ட அம்மாவும் இந்த ஹரணியோட பேரண்ட்ஸும் காய்ச்சி கொண்டு இருக்காங்க. நானும் வலிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ இன்றைக்கு என்ன செய்கிறேன் பிறந்த நாள் for the birthday, what we're gonna do, I'll show you. You can see.
I showed you like last time I did.
This tree, this was known as a camel when I was a kid. This looks like a camel. Yeah. I know.
I traded it for
Yeah, I don't see it either.
You gotta squint a bit.
You have to close your eyes a bit. இப்போ நாங்கள் alpaca farm-க்கு வந்துட்டோம். I'm taking a vlog. We're at the alpaca farm now. So I'll show you guys how it is and everything that's here. I have my water.
I think it'll keep it.
Yeah, I mean it's right here. We can always grab it.
Oh, we're okay. We have water. So these are the girls. 12 girls. 4 boys do not feel they can separate. Not breathing anymore. Most of these were born here. This is Nirvana.
Ooh.
And this is her mother, Layla. That looks like a girl she lays in her. So Layla is the exception. You can actually pet her neck.
Neck. Hi.
This is
Hi.
Charlotte over here.
Okay.
Just don't sneeze on me, okay?
Yeah, we good.
Very curious. We do a lot of photo shoots here. She's not supposed to be.
Oh my god, are they having sex?
Always still around.
இதான் அவங்களோட கடை. This is their alpaca store. Oh wow. Alpaca balls. Alpaca pens. Where did mine go?
the back is our social media, so you can we're not
Tag
on
you.
TikTok, but we're on Instagram and Facebook.
Oh, there's still solitary alpaca sitting there. Oh, two alpacas.
There's 4 of them.
This is these are all Gilly photos. So the gratitude is supposed to be a present for Angie, for Grandma.
Oh,
There's also a card in one of the books. I don't know which one, but
This is beautiful, Izzy. It's so pretty.
yeah.
It's like a.
A fairy sitting on a moon.
Oh, that's so beautiful. So sweet. Thank you.
That's not even the best one.
Okay, okay.
Wait, one of the books has the card,
Cute.
which I also like
I
the
know,
card.
that is so cute.
If
Hey, do
you-
you want to open it at the same time?
I'm not gonna lie, Maya's present's way better than Hari's, but I know I'll see Hari many times to get him other gifts.
This is
So
such a cute sticker.
Oh wait, how do you know that I like astronauts?
I don't know. It's
Yeah,
God's
I
will,
was like,
intuition.
Yeah, I saw that in your bedroom, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
I showed you on your telescope.
Sorry, but packaging is really bad.
No,
Just
it's
rip
so
it, just rip it. It's just
beautiful. I
paper.
don't wanna rip it, 'cause it's so nice.
It's just repurposed paper. It's like packaging paper from a package.
You made this?
Yeah.
Wow.
What?
It actually didn't take me that long to make.
What?
Yeah, it's pretty
You made that?
wild.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry, the seal is not that good, but
Goodness.
Wow.
I can't
It's
believe you.
incredible.
it's my first
Yeah.
diamond shaped painting.
This is so beautiful.
Actually.
I can't believe you made this, and it's so goodness. This is so beautiful. Thank you, Daisy.
You're welcome.
That's very, very sweet of you.
It's a perfect gift
I mean,
for
it's
you.
already a gift for you to come here, for you to actually give something.
But art, you know, art is like it doesn't require like a lot of money. You know, it's your
requires so
talent.
much thought and
Yeah.
space and time. It's so sweet of you. My goodness.
Hari's gonna be like disappointed. His painting is not as nice.
God, wow. Thank you so much.
My goodness.
Wow.
Oh, how did you know we are going for rafting?
Oh, yeah. He mentioned after I came here.
This is so beautiful.
Very much like what you did today.
Yeah.
How beautiful. What a
Already know
beautiful memento from our trip.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Unexpected.
Yeah.
actually.
just like Hari. I'm joking. It's mysterious like him.
You was camping yesterday.
How do you
And you guys need to open the card. And then there's an undated planner because you know dated planners are not that useful.
Thank you for the planner. We can use it. Oh, there's something written on the back, Eddie. You're so sweet, Izzy. Two dads walk into a bar, cluck out That's so sweet. Oh,
Sorry, I had to write the. Oh, never mind. Okay, just read it. It's fine.
oh, this is so sweet. I
You're
will
welcome.
treasure this. This is really, really thoughtful of you. So I cannot imagine how much time it took to make this beautiful work of art, and for you to do that for us is just incredibly sweet and thoughtful. And I don't know, it's really, really sweet of you. Thank you.
I'm really happy you like it.
I love it. It's so sweet. I'm gonna put it up in my room. It's so sweet of you.
Kind of matches your dress.
It does.
Flowers.
It's kind of yours too.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is great. Oh my god.
Yeah. You can write your own months and the dates. Hopefully you can use a planner too, Hari.
Yeah. Very
Like,
I'm not hitting it on purpose.
What does it say?
Like this? On the palm?
There you go.
I don't have a grip on it when it's flat.
Yeah.
It's a manufacturer. Honest, because
I think it doesn't want to work because I'm taking videos.
this is like
No,
the
it's the
tall
way you're
culture
doing it.
house.
You want to show me?
That's one. You got it. There you go.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's the name of the design. Probably. But this is the manufacturer of the these envelopes are actually fairly expensive because they're like many different
It's not supposed to go like this, right?
No, it's good.
customized. There's like some brand
Me too. Well,
So நாங்கள் லஞ்சை சாப்பிட்டோம் கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருந்து காய்ச்சிட்டோம். So we ate lunch and we were talking for a bit. Hari's mom made a really good lunch. புளி சாதம், தயிர் சாதம், 2-3 கறி மாதிரி வெஜிடபிள் சாலட் நல்லா இருந்தது. சாம்பார் சாதம். That's not sambar sadam, it's just sambar. Sambar kali.
That's a
Bismillah baat.
Bisi bela baat.
Bisi belam baat.
Bisi bela baat.
Bisi bela baat. கோயில் சோறு மாதிரி இருந்தது ஆனால் சோறு
What
இல்லை.
it actually means is bisi means hot. Bela.
கடலை.
எடுத்துட்டேன் எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் மறுபடியும்
Yeah, it was really good and now we're gonna go ஹரிடா அம்மம்மாட்ட போய் கொஞ்ச நேரம் அங்கே ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஹரியும் மாயாவும் அவங்களோட அம்மா பார்க்கணும்னு இருக்கிறாங்க.
Neither did I.
ஸோ அவங்களையும் போய் கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சிட்டு கேக் மாதிரி வெட்டிட்டு பிறகு நாங்கள் வாட்டர் ஃபால்ஸ் போக போவோம். அதையும் உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக காட்டுவேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கொள்ளுங்க.
She has glasses.
Yeah, Babaji's there.
Yeah.
ಅವರು ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ.
Kumar.
ಕುಮಾರ್ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ
You said you have to remember my friend's name. And the one behind me is Kumar. We've been doing flashcards. She's taking her citizenship test soon, so we've been prepping her. And we're like actually have to sell flashcards is the
He was like standing there.
Actually, do you know she speaks Kannada? That's also like that. If you only Kannada ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Only Kannada ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ಜನ ಅವರು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಬದಲು ಅvan
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
I love you, Ashim. Thank you for being here to celebrate with us. It's such a big deal that you are here to celebrate with us, Ashim. You're making his birthday so special. Yeah, and we're so old now. Muvat Rasha agogide. We're 30 now. Can you believe that we've gotten so old? Can you believe ish bayis agogide namge? Namge. Muvat Rasha agogide. first slice goes to Aji. Because Aji is the one who loves cake the most.
ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Since when do you like cake? Everybody knows that's not true. You want to take it off, Aji? Like you make up? Check it out, yeah? Can you remove this? That's it. Come, Aji. Oh, better change it like that? Yeah. Yeah, I know. So just a little bit, I think. No, my friends made it. Friends ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದು ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ. Yeah, so sweet, right?
ನನಗಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yeah. Hey. There you go. Oh, it's okay. I really want it. Yeah. It doesn't make sweet. So eat it for to be nice. Oh, the baking is good. Come on, everybody fix it. Hey, I don't have a spoon. I got your spoon. So I can't put it. You can't put it. Did you put it? You can't.
You can. I like to eat it. Yeah. It didn't go.
Something from Sa.
Okay. Well, you can't really end with Nana. We'll just do.
ஸோ நாங்கள் ஹரியோட அம்மம்மா பார்த்துட்டு இப்போ what's the gorge called?
Oh, the
Cordon Gorges. So Cordon Gorgesக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். So after seeing Hari's grandma, we are here at the Cordon Gorges to see a waterfall and go for a walk. So I'll show you how it is. அப்படி இருக்குன்னு காட்டுறேன். நீர்வீழ்ச்சி இருக்கும். We have places like this in Canada too.
Yeah,
Yes, I mean, it's full of maple.
Yes,
No.
That Nico Fall. For some reason,
It has
people
ferns
really
too.
like it.
On the dam?
Yeah.
Oh. I should do a TikTok dance on there. Wow.
I'll probably have to drive across the bridge.
That's cool.
Wow.
Oh, I want to fall from here. Sorry?
Oh my god, that's so beautiful over there. Wow. You wanna stand? Yeah. If you do. climbing this way?
Yeah, you're not allowed to climb the rock here.
Oh, yeah. Did we lose Legoland? Oh, he's over there. Right here, look at that, look. Yeah. See, it's from this angle. We can protect this, you see that? இப்போ நாங்கள் கோர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கோர்ஜஸில் இருக்கிறோம். முழத்த கோர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கோர்ஜஸ். நான் 2-3 கிளிப்ஸ் எடுத்தேன். பட் இப்படி தான் இந்த டேம் இருக்குது. அப்புறம் இங்கால தண்ணி விழுந்து கொண்டிருக்குது. அங்கே இருந்து வந்து இங்கால விழுந்து இதில் ஒரு பாலமும் இருக்குது. தண்ணி போய் கொண்டிருக்குது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த கோர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கோர்ஜஸ். The water is much more calmer on that side and it's coming through and it's coming under this dam. We're actually standing on the dam or the gorge, I guess is what it's called. And then it's falling through this way and there's a bridge there and there's actually a dam here too on the side, like a round dam, and the water's falling through. It's so nice. And the கல்லுல விழும்போது நல்ல வடிவான ஒரு நீர்வீழ்ச்சி அங்கல நான் உங்களுக்கு வீடியோ எடுத்து போட்டுருக்கேன். So it's so nice here. இப்போ சூரியன் கீழே போயிட்டு the sun has set and நாங்களும் வீட்டை போகிறோம். அப்புறம் மேபி இரவு போர்டிங் போவோம் இல்லாட்டி நாளைக்கு போவோம். நான் உங்களுக்கு காட்டுறேன் போட்டிங் போனோம்டா. So we're gonna go home and then we're gonna maybe do boating. So நான் உங்களுக்கு காட்டுறேன். மின்மினி பூச்சி. இந்த அதுக்குள்ள மின்மினி பூச்சிகள் பறந்து கொண்டிருக்குது. There's fireflies in the forest. Wow. Sorry. இப்போ நான் முதல் காட்டின பாலத்துக்கிட்ட வந்துட்டோம். இந்த நல்ல இந்த எப்படி சொல்கிறது புகாராக இருக்குது. புகாருன்னா it's like nice and foggy and we're at the bridge that I was showing earlier and that's where we were earlier. நாங்கள் மேலே இருந்தாங்க. இப்போ நாங்கள் இங்கே கீழே இருக்கிறோம். நல்லா இருக்கு. ஆனால் இப்போ இருட்டிட்டு கொஞ்சம். It's already a little dark but it's so nice. We were there before. This is so cool. கீழே தண்ணி ஓடுறது உங்களுக்கு தெரியல, ஆனால் எனக்கு தெரியுது. Yeah, kind of does. You can't even see into the darkness.
I'm a creature of light myself. Like
Oh, it's dark though.
it can be much more relaxed.
Put the flash on yourself. Put the flash on. Oh yeah, that looks. See, yeah. No, it looked better before.
friend?
Fine.
Couple of days.
Is that the truck?
To you, happy birthday, dear Nagilan. Happy birthday to you.
This is hard to do. Wait, I will help you.
Are you 20? Are you 21? Are you 22? Are you 23? Oh, you just turned 23. Wow, baby.
I turned 24, 23.
Oh, 24. Okay, you're 24.
Turning 24.
Do you have a?
How do you being the bystander again?
Or something?
Huh?
Do you have a script for the tape?
We have one for everyone, I think. You go.
Wait, so your voice is out.
Hadi, what are you thinking about?
Your voice is out.
Sleep. Put them on.
He's like bystander mode activated.
My tata tells people he's stepping at 90. He was turning 89.
Oh,
But it was his 90th year, and I was thinking about. I think it's like the difference in the
How people see their age.
Yeah.
Oh, Harry Potter one?
wow.
Oh.
Is it from the UK?
Yeah.
Wait, that's so sweet,
It's
Heidi.
from. I was in.
Wizarding World.
I went to platform 9 and 3/4.
Wow. Are you gonna open it?
Yeah, sure.
You open it. Not me, you open it. He's like, yeah, sure. Open it.
Heidi, that's so sweet.
Oh, that's so cool.
Are you a Harry Potter fan?
Yeah, I really like Harry Potter, like the fantasy. That
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Who's your favorite character?
All those-
Who's your favorite character?
I don't have a particular favorite character.
It's Harry
but
Potter.
As a whole, I really like the.
I like Draco.
His name is not Michael.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Asking him or him?
Oh, okay.
You like more of the movies, right?
He loves you so much, he called
Yeah.
his other friend Michael. Wow.
Wow.
No, do you want to say something?
You have to spin it and then.
Expelliarmus.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the video song.
Yeah, maybe I can do a lip sync here.
That's cool.
What are the magic people?
What do you mean so
No, you
beautiful?
said something, but what was that?
That makes
Thanks a lot.
I was thinking that Harry Potter one. I was like, no, wait, not that Harry Potter's to me. So I was like a Harry Potter one to me. And then the one was
I could understand.
I was
It's not for me.
They do dub version. Dubbed Harry Potter. I used to watch it back then, like when I was 6, 5. Yeah, they do dubbed versions.
This is the one that's the most powerful
Thank you.
one.
Oh,
Because I didn't have any No, I love I'm obsessed with curly hair. I love curly hair. I want curly hair.
You do have curly hair.
I have wavy hair. I wish I could.
But it's curly at the bottom, the back.
Yeah, I keep doing it.
Oh.
I have French curls, so if I scrunch them, they curl up
That's so
nicely.
exciting.
But it'll do.
Heidi has really nice curls. He had his hair long for a while.